Welcome to Coronado Equipment Sales. Today I would just like to take you through the process of what every forklift goes through when it arrives here until we ship it out to customers. I know in today's marketplace it's hard to go visit and see the site, so I figured I would just take you through the shop and kind of go through every process here. So come on, follow me. All right, so now we're inside of our shop. And the first thing that happens with every piece of equipment here at Coronado Equipment Sales is a 48-step condition report is completed by a lead tech here. So the lead tech will not only check the hoses and the leaks of the forklift, but they'll also check if it needs a tune-up. It'll also check the carriage bearings. It'll also check the motor, the status of the motor. If it's electric forklift, we'll also check all the motors, the steer motors, the drive motors. We'll check the armatures in them to see if we need to actually rebuild the complete motor or if it just needs new brushes and new bearings in the motors. Here at Coronado Equipment, if your forklift has over 12,000 hours on the electric, we automatically rebuild the motors. Any forklifts that are a little bit on the age side, we will also reseal all the cylinders as a preventative maintenance, maintenance for our future customers so that they don't get any leaks for some time. So this is where it starts, is in our lead tech, and then what happens is our lead tech will assign it to one of our mechanics or one of our technicians. So let's just come over here. We have this Raymond forklift. You could tell and look here that the motor's getting rebuilt. So the motor was completely pulled out of this one. And so the tech will go through the whole lift itself. You'll see we don't just put paint on these things here, but we actually go through and recondition the whole unit. So there's the lift there that's being reconditioned. We also come on over here. This particular tech is also working on a unit here and going through all the checklist of what needed to be repaired by the lead tech that he identified. So this lift as well is being worked on right now. And then completion, once the techs are completed and they've completed all the necessary repairs, other than tires, I'm going to go show you what we do next. Follow me. All right, so after all the repairs are done to your forklift and the forklifts we recondition here, then it comes into paint and the paint alone. So what we will do is we will sand it down. We'll get most of the imperfections out, but again, it's not a Ferrari. So we do a good sand. We scratch all the surfaces, even where it's smooth, to make sure that the paint holds really good. If there's a specific company color that you want, let your sales rep know on the front end of the sale, and we could usually match up your colors or get your color combo, and we could custom paint it for you as well with no extra charge, as long as we know on the front end if it's not painted already. So come on, follow me and let me show you what happens after paint. All right, so after a piece of equipment is painted, then it comes back into the shop for a final little last task. We will do any strobe lights, any lights that need to be added to the equipment, and also this is where new tires will now be installed on the forklifts. And we will always have 75% or new tires on the forklift. So then the other thing that's done in this station is every forklift is blocked up and ran. The tires are actually running for 1 hour. We want to make sure that no motor's overheating as we take these things apart and put them back together and make sure that they're fully functional and that they don't fail. So there's a 1 hour test that we do. So after that, come on outside and I'll show you the last steps. The last step here at CES is that we do two final inspections. We do a mechanical inspection, so one of our lead techs or our tech will come out and actually test all the functionality of the lift, all mechanical. That's the first final test. And then the second one is our operations manager will come out and do a visible last check for any touch-up paint, making sure the seat was either reconditioned, just small stuff, things that just add value value to our customers, we want to make sure that we send out the best product possible. So from this step, you could just follow me over here, and what we do, yeah, so it looks like we have another forklift here that's ready for final inspection and final tests, and needs some new forks as well. And then what we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll match up the charger to your battery, and then your lift will get parked here and get ready for delivery for the next day. The other thing is, just want to let everybody know we give full warranties on all of our equipment. If you're here locally in Southern California, we give a 1-year warranty on all batteries, and we give a 60-day warranty on the entire piece of equipment, parts and labor. If you're outside of our service area of Southern California, then what we do is we give you a discount on your freight to help ship it to you in lieu of the labor discount, but I still offer a 60-day warranty on all parts provided by Coronado Equipment Sales. So now you know our process, what a forklift goes through here. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and we would love the opportunity to prepare your forklift that you need right now. Have a great day.